Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from BOTIM to ADCB. First, open your BOTIM account and log in. Once logged in, go to your wallet. Next, select International Transfer and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, fill in the beneficiary details, in this case, the ADCB bank details. If you have the IBAN number, enter it along with the relevant ADCB account information. After entering all the details, click Send Money. You'll be prompted to enter your voting password to authorize the transaction. Enter it, and your transfer will be completed. Please note that this option is only available for local residents, meaning only local residents can access this feature. And that's it. This is how you can easily transfer money from BOTIM to ADCB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.